Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Next round. Okie dokie, this time was a 15. And all together we get 740 now, guys. Top winner. Okie dokie, let's get going. Hi, welcome everybody, glad to hear. Alright, let's get going. Here we go, last minute. No, you can't. Your heart is mine. What do you mean? No, my heart is not yours. Sorry, Murray, but I have a boyfriend. He definitely already took my heart. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Can you see my chat? I can, but I'm not the mode, so... And I don't know the heist. So next in the hotspot. Good luck to you. So I guess we need to wait for the mod answer, right? Alright, so what's gonna be here? Ooh, number 6! Hotspot with a 7X. Let's go! And ladies, the highest point right now is going to be a 700. Woohoo! Let's get going. This is the time, so this is your time to pick up and decide where you would love to make your shot. And yeah, the smallest actually could be 21X. That is the smallest one, but the highest one, 700. Let's go. This is the time. It's going to be close. What are the players? It's 21. Look at this beauty. Isn't that beautiful? All right, 70, 105, and seems like hotspot we have right there on that side, the 700. Let's go. So what about the double area? Which area we are gonna go and double? All right, we double the top and the bottom. We get there also 140, 98. Amazing. Look at those beautiful multipliers. Congratulations, all winners. All together, we get 800 winners.
17 where we have fireball. And can we make it till 17? Please, bit more. We are going back, guys. 17 fireball, 5 times global multiplier. Woo! Cash in some fireball, baby. Another juicy one, another juicy one. Wow, guys, we are trying to give you 2.5 thousand times multiplier. Can we? Guys, 375 times multiplier. What? Sheesh! Fireball is delivering. Fireball on fire. 725. You got the marvelous payout. I'm proud of you. 50 plus thousand top win. 4.8 thousand for Bombay. 3.5 thousand third one. Ayo, you see?
Now when you're betting time. Love the bonus games here. Which is your favorite bonus game if you have one? Which one you feel like works out for you the best? Final seconds now to get ready for the new round. Give a slow spin, I want to see something. Okay, slow spin, you got it. Alright, Bet Cyclist, thank you so much. Usually they're asking for the opposite thing. The turbo spins, the high spins, you know. We like to enjoy the crazy spins. Alright, we have a 2x and 6, 4x and 4, 7x and number 8 this time. Manchester? Wasn't that like a football team? I think it was. Alright, and this time we are landing on a lead between 2 and 3, payout 1 to 1. Congratulations to the winners. And for this round, we have 386 of you, 500 euros for the top winner. Your betting time is open for you once again. Remember, you can place your bets on the numbers on either or on the leads themselves. There's also X Chaser and Storm Chaser bet times, which can help you place your bets on the bonus games, the multis, or landings from itself. Bet Cycles, thank you. And here we go, enjoy. What happened? I mean, to be fair, we're getting a little bit more bonus games lately. We have 2x and 11, 7x and 17. A little bit more. From the beginning, it was way more leads. Now we're seeing quite an increase of the bonus games. The 7x and 7x multi on top of everything. So now the highest is 1,400. Come on, let's do it. Good luck to you. Everything is red. Okay, but which red did we get? Which one was it? Okay, 350x multi here at Fireball, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all of the winners. 350x, nice. Let's keep these good vibes going, chat. Congratulations to all the winners, 1,028 of you. 8.7k for the top winner. Enjoy. Betting time is all yours once again. All right, finally some nice multipliers in here. Enjoy it. Last seconds now to get ready.
Bob is always 4x. 4x battery charger sounds like a nice thing what to get. No. Okay. That's right, the juicer. It's gonna be a leaf this time, my dear. And let's continue. You're more than welcome to place new bets, yourself to play. Check statistic compliments winners do any 19, many more. When I was a young boy. Betting time, let's continue. An X-Chaser, Storm Chaser, try those fancy features. I wish you all the best in your life. To you as well, Babis. And hopefully we will have amazing things happening because of that. Because of you. That's your... No, that's, well, facts, you know. Alright guys, 4x Fireball sounds like a real deal. And you know me, I like that. And do we like 4x? Boop, boop. We got it. Nice. Barely, but we got there. Nice. We're gonna 4 times everything, so let's see if we can get something nice and red. We have a 2,000x. Where is it? Oh, it's right on the top corner. Let's go. Yes. No. Oh, guys. Mom, bring the camera. It's 2 times. So we have a 4K now. Ooh la la. 4,000x, guys. Let's go. Okay, something red it is, guys, but most of these were 240. Okay, great. Congratulations to you. Very nice. All right, 240 this time. Nothing crazy, but that's pretty nice. Enjoy. What do we have? 952 winners. Sweet. Top winner, Ground Zero, Scooby-Doo, and everybody else who got victory. I should probably leave the game. Why should you? Number 1, yes. Number 1. Betting time, autoplay, check statistic, and let's continue, guys. X-Chaser and Storm Chaser. Good luck, bets are closed. Let's see what's next. 10x and 4x. Kind of far away, but you know me. Sometimes there is... Okay, this time a bit off. Like, literally a bit off. Okay, it's a leaf this time. This one, leaf, my dear. Alright. Would you like to continue? Fireball. I love Fireball. I do agree. I love Fireball. 424 winners. Congratulations. Betting time. Autoplay checks the distance. Now let's continue. X-Chaser and Storm Chaser. Sorry. Alright. Bets are close. 5522333x. Okay. Maybe, you know, you never know. If it was opinion, I'd only bet on Fireball. It's my favorite. Okay, I got you. I love Fireball. I do agree Fireball is fun. But what about 5x battery charger? Is it fun? Might be. Anyways, we have 5x battery charger. 12. Ching, ching, ching. 5x everything. So 5 500X, guys. It might be 1,000 to be honest. And first battery is already 200. That's pretty impressive. All right. We just need to avoid all the silver ones, guys. Is it hard? I don't think so. Yeah. All the silver ones avoiding and we Gucci. Okay, we're doing perfect job right now. 150 is nice. Okay, not 100. Oh boy, that will be scary part. Okay, okay. Next one is a really good one. Not today. Okay, fine. Yes. Let's go, baby, please. Yes. Woo! 500X. Too easy, guys. This is too easy. 1,352 winners. VR, banter, and everybody else. Great. Oh yeah. Sorry, guys. Almost broke the wheel. All right, let's continue, guys. I wish you all the best. And let's see what's next. All right. I swear, it's always you give me the wins. Well, I didn't choose that life. It was given. Crazy. All right, that was amazing. You see, guys, we are getting in all the bonus games, 2x we have. So now we are only missing hotspot, I guess, with a real multiplier to get real juicer. Well, fire, because fireball, well, we are getting that now. It is a leaf. So what do we have? We have 419 winners. GG, King, DJ, Fahad, and Gopsi. Gopsi, yeah. Medic time multiply chase, statistic on numbers. X Chaser, Storm Chaser, and let's continue to chase the dreams as well. And maybe in the end of the day, it's gonna be a blast. Better clues, guys. I wish you all the best. And yeah, maybe something awesome. Kinda avoid, but I avoid. So 3x and 2x. Okay, cool. Like the idea, yeah. The idea is nice. Reality is a bit different. It's like Monster Mash is the reality.
It's the Monster Mash.
Are you ready? Let's see. Oh man, what is this? Oh, 50! Oh, 50, 200, 4x! Wait, Squazilla! Yeah. Too easy, guys. 1,132 winners. Bench, Skuzal, Deugen, and everybody else. Let's continue. Betting time, autoplay, check statistic, welcome newcomers. See, guys, not too shabby in the end of the day. We got some juicer there. Betting time, autoplay, let's continue, guys. X Chaser and Storm Chaser. All right. Enough is enough. Yeah! Oh, nice multipliers. All nice multipliers, and we are...
That guy would be free of all charges, by the way. So yeah, Beast, that guy was furthest thing from it, you know, Jenny. You know, that guy was skinny. Let's go, guys. Is everything okay? Guri, man, doesn't get more okay than this. Welcome to Lightning Storm. How are you doing, Guri? All right. 7x on 3 and 17. Lightning Storm is on number 14. And as we all know, the highest real multiplier we can cash in on is a 50x, right? But this time we're looking at a leaf as the winning segment, everybody. Right here. That's right, guys. It's once one at least with the leaf, you know. 332 winners count you guys. 19 VR, MKH, and KM, 512. You're leading all the players in the win column. Betting time is open, so check this out, guys. For example, Storm Chaser, right? So yeah, Storm Chaser places your bet on a specific segment that features Lightning Storm bonus game. If you don't have it initially. Same applies for the X Chaser, but for the bonus games and multipliers on, so keep your eyes open. Because each and every round, at least one bonus game going to have a multi, sometimes more. Now we have 3 bonus games, like a 14 with a lightning storm with a 3X on it, also a 3X feature in the number 2 with a fireball. Let's see what can we do with this. And ladies and gentlemen, what can we do with this? Hey, yo. 14, lightning storm, 3X on it. Let's go to the roof, ladies and gentlemen. Right street, let's go. Yeah, buddy, man, I love this song, man. Let's go, DJ. Turn it on louder, man. We have a 3X on this one, too, from the wheel. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. That's beautiful. Now, pick yours. 1, 2, or 3, ladies and gentlemen. Which one you pick? It's going to be your multi. We have some global multipliers there as an option as well. Let's hope we can utilize those too. Would be cool. Now, number 1, global multi in the mix. Let's go. What we have? 2X. We can work with that. Let's go. Check out the 2400 at the top. Let's go. Strike it. Boom. 300X just like that, everybody. Let's go. Simple 300. We'll take that. Now, what about numero 2? No global on this one, though. Okay. Here I am. Global 120 on number 2. 30 and a 90, so 120 on number 2. What about number 3? No global. All right, it's going to be virtually identical. 30 and 90 on number 3 as well. So number 1 takes the cake with the 300 on it. Let's go. All right, now we have 746 lucky winners combo and solve, you guys. So Afro Key, IB61, and Bond. You're the top 3 winners. Betting time's over. Okay, guys. Lightning is storming down, and we have gotten every single bonus.
Red light for 15. That means we got 75X, the last one, the highest one. 75X for this battery charger. Let's go, baby. All right. 1,064 winners. Congratulations to all of you. Enjoy. Banter, Long John, Anu, top 3 winners. Benching number 1 with 1.7K euro win. Enjoy betting time. Just look at the statistic. X Chaser, Storm Chaser, out-of-play option always available. That's because good luck. That was literally so embarrassing. But at least I did that. But like, you were needed to screenshot that. 7X Lannister number 8. Alright guys, decision time is open. Choose your lightning strike, first, second, or third. Auto pick always available. So once again, first, second, or third. Final seconds to make your decision. Alright, let's start with the first one. 210 and 70 total. 280X for the first one. Alright, let's move on to the second one. Alright, 105, 140, 70 total, 315X. Alright, third one, last one. Rock you like a hurricane. 210 and 70 total, it's gonna be 280X. Alright, look at that. Alright, enjoy everyone. See you there.
I guess we can continue. You mad? I'm mad? No, I'm not mad. Guys, is it true that fast, you cannot. Last for what? What do you mean? Betting time? I'm confused. I don't understand. Привет. Привет, привет. Hello, hello. No scam. I wish you all the best. Let's continue betting time. Multiplier, check statistic, what to do first. And we will see what else we can deliver here for you. Hopefully something fantastic. Bets are close. We have 4X battery charger this time. Just spin it. I will try my best. I always spin it. Not always it's the best, you know. But sometimes it might be pretty good. Like this time it's a lightning storm. You see? Pretty good. Lightning storm.
Lightning storm.
Yo, yo, yo! What's up, Picone? Anyways, hello guys. We are here again. Yeah, didn't need to wait for so long to get here. We need, well, you need to pick one of the lightnings. First, second, third. Auto picking. You forget to pick, then 400X is the max right now. Let's go. Good luck. First try. 14X. What a start! Like previous start, actually, to be honest. Second strike. 45. It's getting hotter. Could it be that third one is the best one again? Let's find out, guys. We need a global. Haven't seen that for a while. Not global, but multiplier is 500X. That's how we do it, guys. Anyways, congratulations to you.
See 3X there again. Welcome to the battery charger 75X, the highest one. Let's start. What about global? Red light. All right, 5. I'm so disappointed. What? 5? Green light for the 5? All right, 997 winners. Congratulations to all of you. Banshee, 2G, Happy, Top 3 winners. Enjoy betting time. All right. Wait. At least not 3. Previous one was 3X. That one was 5X. You think you're going to sleep? I made for him pasta with a chicken. Just like my recipe for pasta with a chicken. And for myself, I just buy like a sandwich and Dubai chocolate. 15X, Lanny, sir, number 16. To choose your lightning strike first, second, third, you know what to do. Let's start with the first one. All right, for the first one, 450, 150 total, 600X. Second one. All right, 450, 225 total, 675X. Third one. 300, 450 total, 750X. Woohoo! Enjoy, baby! much. Enjoy, everyone. I'm in shock. I'm in shock, for real. It's a lead between 2-3. Congratulations to all the winners. 313 10 winners in just voting time. I'm speechless, for real. Like right now, I'm just.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.